This is the IRM Moto Gemini 1600 adjustment video. The rear peg on this product is non-adjustable and the forward peg is. This forward peg comes preset in the position that is closest to the rider. To allow this forward peg to have more travel, we're going to grab a 1/4 inch hex key, take out the adjustment bolt, and then we're going to take off the spacer washers. Now that you have this bolt off, you'll notice that it has 6 spacer washers. You can put it back together with any increment of these spacer washers that you want. In this case, we're going to take them all off in order to give the peg maximum travel. Take some Loctite, put it on the tip of the bolt, and then we're going to reinsert it and torque it to 15 Newton meters. Now, as you can see, we've made the range of travel on this forward peg into its longest position. If you want, you can do the same thing on the left side. Thank you for watching.